Hello children, next we will do the problems related to the Lenz's formula and again power, very important problems. The page number 125, first example. An object of height 4 cm is placed at a distance 24 cm in front of a convex lens of focal length 8 cm. Find the position of and the size of the image, state the characteristics of the image. So that object is placed, object size is 4 cm, plus means above the principal axis. Next UV is nothing but the how much distance from the optical center, 24 cm, it is always left hand side, so that negatives. Next convex lens focal length is always positive because of the right hand side focal length. By using that we should calculate the image and again the position of an image and size of the image and the characteristics. We know the lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. I want V because of the position is V. 1 by V, I am shifting this entire thing towards right. 1 by F plus 1 by U. Then 1 by V that equals to 1 divided by F is how much? Plus 8. Next plus 1 divided by U value is minus 24. Then again 1 by V equals to 1 by 8. Here the plus into minus. Again if you shift this to numerator, minus 1 divided by 24. Take out the LCM 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 into 1, 3. Minus again here the minus. 24 divided by 24, 1. 1 into numerator is 1. 1. So that 1 by V equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 24. It becomes 1 divided by 12. 1 divided by V equals to 1 divided by 12 means V equals to 12 centimeter. Here the entire image is forming right hand side of the convex lens because of the V is positive, so that it is the right hand side of the optical center. Next again I want to calculate the image size. So that the image, we know that image divided by object equals to, in terms of image distance next object distance, that ratio V divided by U. Then that equals to, I want image size, image equals to V divided by U into object. I equals to, again V is how much? Plus 12 divided by U is minus 24 and again O is nothing but the plus 4. So 12 ones are 12 twos are, next to 2 ones are 2 twos are. Next again the minus into again plus is minus, so minus 2 centimeter. What you understand from that, from this is image is inverted image because of the negative sign, and again 2 centimeter means diminished, size is reduced, decreased. So characteristics of the image is, the image is real, inverted and diminished image. Characteristics means real image, next to inverted, real image is always inverted and diminished images. Size is decreased. Next second problem. Given that the focal length of the convex lens is 25 centimeter. Because of the here the write on the data, calculate the power. F equals to 25 centimeters means it is a positive for convex. So that no need to mention the sign. 25 centimeter, I am converting this entire thing into meters into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, and again it is point is shifting towards left because of the 25 divided by 100. Divided by 100 is there, so that point is shifting towards left 2 digits. Then 0.25 meters. We know that power equals to 1 divided by F. P equals to 1 divided by 0.25. Next to multiply numerator denominator with 100. 100 divided by, here the 0.25 into 100 is 25. 25 ones are 25 fours are, and again plus 4 diopter. Power is equals to plus 4 diopters. What is the meaning of that is the power of the given convex lens is plus 4 diopters. Plus is nothing but the positive for convex, so that the diopter it should be in terms of focal length meters, then only the power is in terms of diopters.